Hi, it's Bridget with Fitlicious coming at you with my big T25 giveaway. Focus T25, there it is in the box, just like if you ordered it from Beachbody. Comes with the bands, the nutrition guides, even an extra course CD. It's the whole shebang. The rules are simple, they're posted below, but let me give you a quick rundown. Share this video with your friends and tell them that I'm giving away this awesome 25-minute a day workout. Comment below that you did that. You can also make sure to tell your friends to comment below that you sent them, because they'll get you an extra entry. Add me on IG at Fitlicious and on Facebook /Fitlicious, and see other ways to gain more entries throughout the giveaway. All the rules and details are posted below. This workout is fabulous. I'm getting ready to start week 4 and my body's already changed dramatically. I've lost about 13 to 14 inches, about 7 pounds at this point, and I'm loving it. That's just in the first 3 weeks. So you're going to love it too. It's going to change your body, and that's why I'm so excited about giving this away and letting someone else have the results that I've had. So be sure to follow all the rules, check out how to get extra entries, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you'll be the first to see the winner announced, and I wish you the best of luck.